Okay, we got that on there.
Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today my husband's going to show you how to thread my sewing machine. Will this help you? I don't know. Depends on what sewing machine you have. Let's get into it.
Okay.
You have a scissor. Now you have this all spooled up. You see the way the thread goes? Mm-hmm. Open this up. Do you want to see this part?
Yeah, this is the hardest part.
So, you open this, you pull this little piece open. Mm-hmm. You see that part on there?
Yeah.
Would you go like this? I don't know if it gets on camera.
I can see it.
Then you take it out.
Yep.
This piece, staying with the thread going this way, the thread has to come out that hole. So you stay where the thread would flow with it, right?
Okay. Wouldn't the thread flow the other way? That confuses me. Oh, okay. I think I get it.
Yeah, so this is the hole.
Yeah.
And it wants to get through here and pinched under this and flow out this way.
Okay.
So you're going to start putting that in, and you're going to guide this thread through this little channel.
Okay.
Like this.
Yep.
And it goes under there.
Okay, that makes sense.
And comes out there.
Okay, cool.
And then you just hold this piece.
Okay.
You can just give yourself a little bit extra on here if you want, like that much. You're going to hold this piece open like that. I'm going to hold it. Normally the metal one stays. And I'm lining up.
Am I on your way?
No. Right there, see that?
Yep.
And then you let go of that part.
Okay.
So now that's just in there and it won't move.
Yep.
And this thread is just dangling, right?
Yep.
Now, from the top up here, I'm not sure exactly which one this goes on, honestly, I never know. But you come through this first.
Yep.
You know this part or no?
This part I know, yeah.
Down through here.
I felt, oop, sorry, hit you.
Back up through here.
Mm-hmm.
Around this little guy.
Mm-hmm.
Back down. Through there. And then you just thread it through the needle.
Ooh, that was good.
And then you pull some extra.
Yep.
And you run it down through that part.
Yep.
And then just by hand you turn this. And I'm holding this one here tight so that it's actually taking off the spool on the top.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to punch it down, grab the thread, and you'll see it loops around. It grabs this piece, right? You'll watch. See it grab it?
Wow.
It makes a little loop.
Yeah.
And then you can almost pull with this back one and pull that loop through. And I'm going to pull the bottom thread out. And then you just get the bottom thread out.
Wow.
And you can point them both to the back like that. Shut that. Shut that.
And we in business.
And you do that.
Perfect.
This looks a little bit messed up right here right now. There we go. Just had to clean. You see those looped around weird?
Yeah.
And that's how it should look at the end. So 2 threads go out the back. That one comes right through. And the bottom one comes right there. You see this top and bottom?
Yeah.
And you just point them both to the back like that.
Thank you so much, babe.
Mm-hmm.